Hi everyone, and welcome to the online class of Social Studies, Art, and Music. I am your teacher, Emily Pink. I just want to do a video to kind of explain the way that we're going to be going this semester, show you my our Blackboard site, and answer any of your questions. I I still have some things to do, but I'm going to open this board today. It's Wednesday, is it? Yeah, is it Thursday? Oh my goodness, it's Thursday. This week is flying by because it's my week to set everything up. So if you go onto your art or your social studies, art, and music class board, I have to tell you, this is the first time I've done this class online. I've taught other classes online. I've taught other classes this is a new class that we just started this year. It was created from a little bit of art, music, and language, and a little bit of curriculum planning. So they redid the classes, and so this is a new class with content we've done before. So as I set this board up, if you have any questions in the way I set it up or what you're supposed to do, don't hesitate to reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you. So if you go into your board, you can look into the instructor contact information, and I haven't copied that over, but that will have my information, including both my phone number, my office hours, and my email address. You're free to email me anytime, even if they're strange hours. I don't mind. I'm pretty good at responding back quickly. If I don't respond to you, please don't think I'm ignoring you. Don't be afraid to reach out to me again if you haven't heard from me in 24 hours, because that will probably not happen very often. I usually respond within like minutes, if not an hour or something. So don't hesitate to reach out if I haven't responded to you, because it's not intentional. In the week, the first thing that you are going to do is I'm going to get out of this way. I'm looking at this class right now because I want to show you the way it's going to look to you. Each week, the first thing you're going to do, this just isn't showing up because I haven't put this video into this folder yet. First thing you're going to do is go into the weekly videos and watch the video that I do. I'll try to do one every week. If I miss a week, I apologize, but I'm planning on doing them every week, so it kind of talks you through what it is you're supposed to do for your assignments for this week. So you will not see anything past this. I switched into the instructor mode. I'll switch back so that it's not confusing to you. So you're going to see the week one. If you look out from this view, it's going to give you a quick summary of what you're going to be doing. You're going to be reading chapters 6 and 7 in our book, which I'm sure you've rented by now, or if you haven't rented, you're going to want to do so as quickly as possible. It's titled Creative Activities and Curriculum for Young Children. It's 11th edition. You're going to want to get that, and then you're going to read chapters 6 and 7 in the book. So you're going to get a little brief summary. If you click on the folder, it's going to give you what you need to do. So after you have to read chapter 6 and 7, here's the quiz for that. So after you read the book, then you're going to do a quiz. It's not timed, so you can look up the answers. It's more important for you to get the information than it is for you to get it done in a certain amount of time or memorize it. You have to do it in one sitting, though. So once you sit down and open the quiz, you can't close it until you're finished. There are 20 questions, but I think they're all either multiple choice, true or false, something easy like that. So it's not essay questions or anything, and it is just a quiz. And if you don't want to think of it as a quiz, you can also think of it as just a reading summary that you're kind of just checking in on your reading to make sure you're getting the content you're supposed to. So do the quiz. Then if you go back to look here at what you have to do this week, chapter 6 and 7, complete quiz. Then there's discussion boards. And week 1 has 3 discussion boards, one titled Introduction, one titled Types of Play, and one titled Play Video Discussion. Okay, and then within that, you also have to watch a video and read this article on play. But if you click on here, it's a little bit more obvious. So you're going to do week 1 discussion board, which is the introduction. So if you click on this, it will take you to the first discussion board. And if you click on the discussion board, it will tell you, exactly what you need to do. So if you go to discussions right here, here's the week 1 discussion board. It will tell you exactly what to do. I did the first week to give you an example of what it looks like. So then if you go back to the weekly folder and you look at it and you see, I'm going to click on it again, then you're going to the week 1. This is another second discussion board. So again, you're going to look at discussion board, and then here's the second one, and you're going to read an article called Types of Play, and then similarly following, here is a discussion board titled What Play Looks Like, and there's a video that goes with it. If you go back to, if you go back to here, you're going to see the Types of Play article, and here's the video you watch. So everything is in your week 1 folder. Just remember that you have to click on it in order for it to open up. So the outside view just gives you, once you click on, if you see the week 1 folder, this just gives you a brief summary of what you're going to be doing, tells you what to do, and this is where all the content is of what you need to do. Okay, here are your discussions. So remember, this is your discussion board tabs, and those are the most important things that you're going to be dealing with at least the first week. We'll deal with the assignment folder and some of the other things in other weeks. This week you don't have anything else to do. If you want to look at your grade, you can go into My Grades, and that will give you an update of what your grade is as I grade the things that you turn in. Also, there is a tab here that has the syllabus, and it also has the course outline. That is not in there yet. I'm going to open the folder without having those up, but they will be up within the next 24 hours because I have to get them finished so that you can take a look at them before the class starts. The class doesn't officially start until Sunday night at midnight, but if you'd like to work ahead, you are more than welcome to. Actually, I think it probably doesn't even start until Monday night because of Martin Luther King Day, and you can choose whether you want to do work before or if you want to wait until the class actually opens on Tuesday formally, and you'll be able to look at it, but it isn't required that you go on until Tuesday morning. Let me think if there's anything else. When you do discussion boards, I did want to talk about that just for a second. You are responsible to do your post, and then you are also responsible to follow up with 2 other people. If you think of a discussion board as a place to have a conversation, that would be the best way to do it because you're not attending class, you're not meeting other people, you're going to meet them online. So when you have a discussion, if you were talking to somebody and they made a point about play and they talked about something, they saw this type of play going on, and you wouldn't just say that's a really good point. You would say more to add to the conversation. So the expectation would be, yes, I see that you said that was parallel play, and yeah, I see them doing parallel play. I once saw 2 children doing this, and add to the discussion. I'm going to add a tab under discussions that has discussion expectations, so you can take a look at it and see what you will expect to, what I'm expecting to read from you, and how you might have to switch things around to make sure that you're meeting the highest level if you're looking for that grade. And I will do that before I even open this. I'll open that discussion board expectation, and I'll also do the instructor context so that you know how to get a hold of me. If you have any other questions, again, feel free to call me, email me, set up an appointment. I'm always available to meet in person too. I look forward to spending the semester with you. Thank you.